Repainting a truck in 2026. Here's what it really costs. Trucks aren't cars. More surface area means more labor and materials. DIY truck paint jobs cost $200 to $600. Supplies only. Results vary. Basic paint jobs run $800 to $1,500. Minimal prep. Good for work trucks. Professional two-stage paint jobs cost $2,500 to $5,000. Best value for most owners.
High-end custom paint starts at $6,000 and can exceed $15,000. Bigger trucks cost more. Crew cabs and duallies use more paint and labor. Prep work drives the price. Rust repair, dent filling, and trim removal. Urethane is standard in 2026. Matte and satin finishes cost extra and leave no room for mistakes. Pros offer warranties. DIY carries risk. A quality paint job can boost resale and protection.